Constellation?
Yeah.
Ooh, what's a constellation?
A constellation that you see, and he's floating up in the air.
Do you have
And
a
the
pic?
kangaroos want to float in the air.
Oh.
The kangaroos want to float up in the air. Lie down, baby Lachlan. And they wanted to do the things that they wanted to do. They want to fly on the back. Moon.
You see a picture of a moon?
Orange bat. That moon.
Do you have a picture of a constellation that you could show the baby?
It's a dog.
Ooh. What happens next in the story?
So they wanted to go in a
Lie down, Lovey.
hopped on the wings and go in the bubble.
Wow.
And just as sudden, they fall down in the bubble. They popped, and there was a star in it. So they wanted to go through the things, and then they wanted to go in the owl's world. And he wasn't snow. It was snowing in the air.
Hmm.
So, look.
Another constellation?
Yes. It was a ballerina one.
Hmm.
No, it was a Sugarplum Fairy one that helped it. They wanted to get hurt. So they didn't. The end.
What a wonderful story.
Eat a cake.
You've got some cake?
Yeah.
What kind of cake do you have?
That cake.
Diego cake?
Yeah, that's a cake.
Wow. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Yum, yummy.
Yummy in your tummy?
I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.